Welcome back to the Elanix AI YouTube channel, helping you save time, money, and avoid the headache. In today's video, I want to discuss a little bit about the opportunities in AI here in 2025. Now, I've personally been selling AI solutions for the past 3 months under my company, Elanix AI, and I thought it would be interesting to just kind of speak about what I'm seeing on this side of the spectrum as an AI service provider, in explaining the opportunities and the trends that I see. So the first one would be AI agents and how they're going to change the workforce or the work industry, right? These agents are able to act off the intelligence of the AI, large language model, ChatGPT, all of that good stuff, and actually take actions on the information that they have. So if we had to build an onboarding AI agent, it would know everything about your company, and it would know everything about your onboarding process, your best practices, whatever the case may be, and be able to onboard clients, and that could be via a chat agent, a voice agent, significantly increasing productivity, scaling the workforce, because now you're leveraging an AI agent that doesn't sleep, doesn't need a pay raise, it just moves and goes, and actually quite cheap at that. A lot of the times, maybe the systems themselves cost a lot to build out and to design, but when it comes to running operations with ChatGPT, how much it costs for tokens, it's nothing too crazy, right? You could put $5 in your account and you could run our AI social media agent, our Twitter agent, and our content creator agent, and still have left over. That's how efficient these engines are. So there is a huge potential here for providing AI agents. And the most important thing of all is you do not need to know how to code. Our WhatsApp chatbot we make using ManyChat, and we sell those to clients. You don't need a lot of coding knowledge, just some basic logic, and you can get started. So I hope this helped. See you in the next one.